This is the Canon SX50 HS, which packs a whopping fixed 50 times optical zoom lens. It's a replacement for the SX40, which was announced just last year and features a number of key improvements. It's styled a bit like a mini DSLR, and as you can see, the form is very similar, with a mode dial at the top of the camera, hot shoe, viewfinder, screen and button arrangement very similar to Canon's EOS range of DSLRs. That 50 times optical zoom covers an incredible range of 24 to 1200mm in 35mm terms. Unlike a traditional DSLR, you zoom using this switch at the top of the camera rather than manually via the lens itself. Zooming is smooth and quick and makes using the camera with just one hand very easy. You can also expand the zoom functionality up to an incredible 100 and 200 times via what Canon calls 100 times zoom plus. Image quality at the 50 times optical zoom end of the lens is very good, while you can still get usable images at the digital end of the scale. So it's worth bearing that in mind when attempting to photograph distant subjects. One of the advantages this camera has over its predecessor is its ability to shoot in RAW format. This gives you much more flexibility when processing the files from the camera. To activate RAW shooting, find the option in this quick menu here. It's a good idea to shoot RAW and JPEG at the same time, so that you have something you can instantly work with, or if the RAW file gets corrupted. You can't shoot with the digital zoom while shooting in RAW format, which is a bit of a shame, especially as it means having to delve back into the menu to switch it off. As on a DSLR, you can change the shooting mode via this dial at the top of the camera. Here you'll find all the conventional automatic, semi-automatic and manual shooting modes, including aperture and shutter priority. There's also access to digital filter mode, scene mode and movie mode from this dial. You can record movie directly by using this button on the back of the camera as well, giving you a greater degree of creative control if used with semi-automatic and manual modes. The SX50 has a fully articulating screen, which is very useful for shooting at awkward angles and has the bonus of folding away, protecting the screen when not in use. It works well in various lighting conditions, including reasonably bright sunlight. There's lots of direct control buttons and dials on the camera, which should appeal to enthusiast photographers. For instance, you can press this button to access a quick menu and bring up commonly used settings, while ISO, focus mode and autofocus point can be activated directly from these buttons. Canon has included a lot of advanced tech into this camera, including the same Digic 5 processor which can be found in its 5D Mark III high-end DSLR. This helps to produce images with a good level of image noise control at high sensitivity settings. One of the biggest competitors of this camera is the also recently announced Panasonic FZ200, which boasts an impressive f2.8 constant aperture throughout its zoom range. While the SX50 is only able to manage f3.4 at the wide end and f6.5 at the telephoto end, it also boasts a zoom range of 50 times, more than double the 24 times the FZ200 is capable of.